Hi everybody, I'm Dianne. I'm from Koranui School, Lower Hutt. Okay, kia ora everybody. I'm Dianne Christenson from Koranui Primary School in Lower Hutt. I teach a class of Year 4, 5 and 6. I'd like to talk to you today about Tuakana Teina, is teaching juniors in science. We wanted an action project for the Engage with Science capability and for working with the material world context. We've been studying chemistry last term, and I believe that an action project helps cement learning. It links the learning to our daily lives and to our community, and it links science and fun, and that's a win-win situation for me. I also wanted something that would build language, encourage curiosity, develop observation skills, and engage and immerse the students in science, maths and writing. So the solution was to have a bubble festival. The problem was I didn't get enough adults to help for the 2 days. So I challenged my Year 4, 5, 6 students to take on the role of being the Tuakana to the Year 1 and 2 students. I asked them. They were wildly enthusiastic. We set up our expectations together, and the main expectation was for the students to become bubbleologists. That is, they became experts in their field. And then we immersed ourselves in the learning. In other words, we played. And that's really where the collaboration resulted in a real depth of learning. There were shared challenges, there were lots of failures, there were lots of successes, but the learning from each other was maximised. Curriculum coverage, maths, health, science, technology, literacy, and there would have been more. Day 1 in the Bubble Festival is all about exploration and play. The only tools the children have are their hands and a straw, and the juniors seem to be much more prepared to take risks and try new things when they were supported by the older students rather than when they were supported by an adult. On day 2 we have a rotation around 10 stations. There's things like how long does it take a bubble to burst, can you predict when it's going to burst, can you build a bubble around yourself, lots more. It resulted in deeply embedded learning for the students and a lot of agency over the learning for the students. Did it enhance the learning process? Absolutely. There was role modelling, there was engagement from everybody, there was cooperation and collaboration. We used Twitter extensively during the festival to connect us to a wider audience. And shout out for the Science Learning Hub. They're absolutely fantastic at really rapid responses. Some take-home messages for you. Take risks with your teaching and learning. It doesn't always work out, but there's always going to be something that you can gain from it if you ask, what did we learn? Empower your students by allowing them control over their learning. That can be a bit scary, giving away your power as a teacher, but it's so beneficial in the long run. Celebrate science in your classroom. If you base your learning on the nature of science, you can use unlimited contexts. And have fun with your students, and the learning's going to happen anyway. And just a few links for you on the last slide. And thank you so much for listening.